In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable base from scratch. We'll start from a blank slate and finish with a simple, organized base you can use for projects, clients, or content. First, open Airtable in your browser and log into your account. You'll land on the home screen where you can see your workspaces and any bases you already have. Next, look for the Create button on the home screen and click it. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a completely blank base instead of a template, so you're in full control of the structure. Give your new base a clear, memorable name. You can call it something like Project Tracker, CRM, or Content Planner, anything that instantly tells you what lives inside. Before you open it, pick an icon and a color theme. These don't change how your base works, but they make it easier to spot in a busy workspace and add helpful visual organization. Now click Create Base. Airtable opens the base automatically so you can start building right away. Inside the base, create your first table. Think of a base as a binder and each table as a tab inside it. Name the table for the one type of thing you're tracking, like tasks, clients, or projects. Keeping one topic per table makes your data easier to manage and avoids confusion later. Add the fields you need. Fields are your columns, and each one stores a specific kind of information. A simple starting set might be name for the item title, status to track progress, due date to keep timelines clear, and priority so you can focus on what matters most. As you add each field, pick an appropriate type, text for names, single select for status and priority, and date for deadlines, so your sorting and filtering stay accurate. Start entering your records. Records are the rows in your table, each representing one task, client, or project. Type directly into the grid, use Tab to move across, and press Enter to add a new row. Keep your entries consistent so your views and filters work reliably. Finally, customize your base. Create views to see your data in different ways, like a calendar for due dates or a Kanban for status. Add filters to focus on what's relevant right now. Build interfaces to design simple guided screens for teammates. And when you're ready, share your base with the right permissions so everyone collaborates safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching.